Hello, Cancer. Welcome to your reading. This is for June 8 to June 10. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At Cancer, kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating or check yung ibang readings sa kabilang channel din po yun, Babaylan TV. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, mag-comment lang po as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Sasagutin po natin yan. So Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Cancer for June 8 to June 10. Parang may sisira, no? Ng inyong sanity. Parang may sisira ng peace of mind. I feel like hindi ito inaasahan, no? Cancer. Hindi inaasahang balita, hindi inaasahang information. It felt like this feels so good, sa umpisa. And then all of a sudden, parang dito mo masasabi yung word na pinagsakluban ng langit at lupa. I don't like the energy of what's heading towards you because it felt like susubukan din ang faith mo with the 10 of Wands, the Tower. What did I say? No? And the 9 of Wands. So ang nakikita ko dito, parang siguro dito mo masasabi na ay oo nga, that's too good to be true. Ay oo nga, no? Masyado akong naniwala, no? It felt like there's also a lot of promises here. Probably we can say that this is in relation to romance, or it can also be in finances, no, or friendship. Ang nakikita ko dito, masyado tayo nagpadala, no? Kumbaga, binilang natin ang sisiw nang wala pa yung itlog, no? With the 10 of Swords and the 2 of Pentacles. So, hindi tayo nakinig, no, sa ating gut feeling, or sinasabi natin hindi tayo nakinig sa ating kutob, no? Nagpamatigasan tayo, no, sa hindi yan mangyayari, hindi to ganyan, no. Mas pinili nating maging risky. Being risky is sometimes good, no, especially if that is calculated. Pero dito, meron ka nang nakikitang writings on the walls, meron na mga red flags, but you insisted. I think that this will be a great learning, no, for you. With the King of Swords, the 2 of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito is, and the 7 of Wands. Now, this may be not intentional, coming from the person who did you wrong. Pero, let's say, sabihin natin, the universe has its way for them to communicate with you and wanting you to avoid in a certain circumstances. Pero mas pinipili natin, kalabanin, yung mga yon, yung mga signs. And then, no, it's not going to happen. It may not be the first intention of the person, no? Hindi man yun yung sinasabi natin, ito ang pakay ko. Pero dumating dun sa part na it looks like it. Again, that's unintentional. With the Page of Wands and the Hangman, so dito mo masasabi na sana pala, no? Sana pala tinignan ko muna yung mga do's and don'ts, pros and cons, no? Masyado tayong nagpumili, no? Masyado nating pinush ang isang bagay na parang dito natin sasabihin na alam mo yung isang prutas, no? Na hindi pa niya season. Pero ang ginawa natin dito is, kumbaga binuro natin. Hindi siya gano'n katamis, yes, um, pero hindi siya yung on peak, no? Hindi siya yung season na yon. Iba pa rin yung sweetness, no? Kapag nandun tayo sa right time. I feel like um, instead of maayos, either mas lalong gumulo or parang mas lalong tumagal, no? Yung pag-aantay natin, whether it is success, whether it is romance. I feel like if this is romance, I think that someone else probably got scared, no? Natakot sa sobrang bilis ng pwedeng mga pangyayari, no? Natakot sa mga pwedeng, sabihin natin, sabihin natin dito with the hangman na hindi pa siya ganun um, kaseryoso sa isang mga bagay. So, pinilit natin. Tapos, ang nakita ko dito parang instead na umayos sana, mas lalong nagkaroon ng issues, no? So, Cancer, this is your reading for now. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or this can be a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Scorpio, Leo, Cancer, pwedeng kapwa Cancer ito, Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Aries, no? So this is your reading, Cancer. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun. Kung gusto niyo pong um, i-view yung ibang readings, nasa kabilang channel din. So, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan sa comment section ng video na ito, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfied sa yes or no lang, there's a link, follow the instructions, we have a promotion and a discounted price, no, para po sa mga questions. And kung gusto nyo mag-avail ng ating private reading, nasa kabilang, nasa description box po yan. So this is your reading, Cancer, love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na reading. Love and light. Goodbye.